You guys, I could be meaner. Let's cut this sweatshirt out, make it off the shoulder, and fit so much cuter, and go with these cute little acid wash checkered shorts. You guys ready? Let's do this thing, okay? That was mean, so mean to me in the damn comments, but I don't guess what? I could be meaner, okay? All right, now, to get this thing started, first thing first, we're gonna cut this bottom off. We don't like it, it's dumb. Oh, and by the way, we do have this cutting board and this amazing cutter. You're gonna love it. Be careful, it will cut you. That's why there's an on-off switch, okay? We're gonna lay it out flat on the board, and we're gonna start. You can do this with scissors or the cutter, either way. We're gonna lay it out flat as we can get it, and we're just gonna cut that bottom off. Like easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just make sure that it's not bunched up, if that makes sense. And if it is, it's okay. You can fix anything. Because if people are that worried about it, they need to get out of your damn business, okay? So we're just going straight across the bottom here. Straight across, straight across. And I forgot this is a sweatshirt. I'm used to cutting tees again. Be careful. Don't be cutting your fingers off and then calling me and going, well, I cut my fingers off. Well, I'm sorry, don't do that. Okay. Listen, you guys. My sister apparently been cutting a lot of tees and stuff with this cutter here. Use pressure on these sweatshirts. You gotta put your guns into it, baby. Like these kind of guns, you know what I'm saying? And then cut the rest of that. And then everywhere you cut, you're gonna pull. The reason you're gonna pull it, of course, see like that right there where I messed that up, you can just go back in and cut that correct or pull it. Because if they're getting that much up into you, they need to get out of your damn hair, okay? So pull it everywhere you cut it, right? So we cut the bottom off. You can use this for other stuff. I've seen people like cut it and then tie it into headbands and cut it thinner. Cute, love that for them. Let's do the neck real quick. So I want it to be off the shoulder like, so I'm gonna go, and whichever side you want it to be more off of is the side you're gonna cut more off of. So I'm gonna go 3 fingers on this side because I want it to be more hung off this side, if that makes sense. And then I'm gonna go like 3 fingers right here, and then I'm gonna go right in. You can always go back and cut more, but it's hard to go back and fix it if you cut too much. Then right up along the neck, right here, is where I'm gonna go. On the other side, I'm gonna go 2 fingers over. And that's all she wrote on that. And then you just pull it. Now don't pull that. You can do a little sew stitch if you want there. I'm not going to because I ain't messing with it. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be like that. Okay, now for the arms. I don't like the sleeve part. So I'm gonna lay that out flat. Lay that shit out, girls. You can do this with scissors, especially this cut because it's so easy. But I love the rotary cutter. So I'm actually gonna cut a little bit more because I don't like long sleeves either. So I'm gonna cut just like this. Okay? And then I'm gonna pull that, and then I'm actually going to roll this up. I like the little rolled up look, ladies. So then on the other side, I'm gonna take that little piecey piece that I just cut off, and I'm going to put it on the other side right here. So I cut the length of the sleeves evenly. Now, do they have to be perfect and even? No. That just makes me have a little way to know how much I need to cut though. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pull everywhere I cut. I'm gonna do 2 cuts, and then, 2 rolls. And then let me show you what it looks like on. It's really so much cuter. And because you cut the seams off, it makes it a little bigger too. So if you're in your it's a little too tight area, don't worry. And then you just pull it off whatever shoulder you want. And you can roll it up more on the other shoulder if you want to. And that's it, you guys. How stinking cute is this? Love it. Let me show you the back. Cute, cute. And that's it.